Welcome to Southeast Car Sales. This is a 2003 Ford F-350 Lariat 4x4 dually. Crew cab. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. It's black with a pewter bottom, two-tone, really pretty. Tan leather inside, fully loaded. It's got CD changer. Also, this vehicle has XM radio. Comes with a unit for XM radio. Rear parking sensors. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Tires are in great shape. It's got a brand new bed liner in there. I mean, this is a clean truck. It's got the step bars chromed out. Really pretty truck. Let's take a closer look. The bumper and grille are in great condition. Lights are in great shape. The hood has a couple little chip marks here and there. They've been touched up. Overall, very, very clean. Driver side fender free of any dings or dents. Driver side's actually free of any dings or dents. Very clean all the way through. It's really a nice truck. It's 2003. Beautiful condition. Walking around the back. It's got the parking sensors, trailer hitch, brand new bed liner. It's got the sliding rear glass. Very nice. Walking around the passenger side, also in great condition. Free of any dings or dents, very clean all the way through. Very nice shape. The 2003. Extremely clean. Very nice. Everything's fully functional. Vehicle drives great. Beautiful condition. Taking a look at the driver's side front door panel. Like new condition. Dashboard's in like new condition. Leather seats are in like new condition. Really in great shape. Now we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Great condition. Passenger side seat. Also power. In great shape. This is a Lariat with leather. Taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel, also in great condition. Rear seat, it's in great shape. Rugs are clean. Vehicle's in great condition. Rear passenger side door panel, also in great condition. Leather interior is in great shape. Very clean. Now we're sitting inside this 2003 Ford F-350 4x4 diesel. Gonna go ahead and start this baby up. Starts up, no issues at all. As you can see there. Has no check engine lights on. No issues. It's got 128,641 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the options. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic lights, fog lights, cruise control on the steering wheel, rear parking sensors, 4x4. It's got the tow haul button, 6 CD in-dash changer, cold air conditioning. Really great. Vehicle's in great condition. Very clean. Also, this car does come with, whoever owned this car before, had an XM radio subscription. So it comes with the XM radio unit that's connected to the regular Ford radio. It also has the antenna on the top, and it still has some subscription left on it, so you guys can enjoy that driving around. Very nice. Dashboard's in great condition, no cracks, no warping, really in nice shape. Very nice condition. Let's take a closer look at this XM radio system that comes with this car. As you can see there, that's the unit. Plays satellite radio from Sirius and XM. And then it also comes with a remote control. That way you don't have to lean over and actually use the console itself. So you'll be able to drive and listen to some satellite radio through the existing radio in the vehicle. And it still has a subscription left on it. So that's a nice feature. The bed liner is brand new. As you can see there, the front tires are like new. Very nice. Taking a look at the rear tires, they're in fair condition. Really nice shape. The rear passenger side tires, also in great condition. A good amount of tread on there. Passenger side front tire, also new condition. Beautiful shape. Taking a look under the hood, this vehicle has a turbo diesel engine, 6.0. We've just had installed 2 brand new Motorcraft batteries. That concludes our video for this 2003 F-350 4x4 Lariat crew cab with leather. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 305-310-1223 or visit our website for more information, southeastcarsales.net. Thank you very much.